I have a great video for you today. Today is all about this one little element that can completely transform a space, and that is light fixtures. So I have some modern light fixtures that I'm going to share with you guys and show you how it actually transforms a space. How you can take one fixture and it just literally ups the level of the room, okay? If you're new here, my name is Angel. I share everything lifestyle from beauty and fashion to home decor and DIY projects. So if any of that interests you, don't forget to click that subscribe button, like and share the videos, and follow me along on my other social media platforms, which I will link here. So be sure to check that out. Guys, light fixtures are, oh my God, like light fixtures is one of the easiest room transformations that people sleep on. Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on your fixture. Change your fixture out. Like that is one little item that can tremendously change your room. Like seriously, like you will be amazed at what a difference it'll make in a room. So let's get started. I have everything from flush lights to chandeliers. So, and they're all modern glam. They will completely transform and up your room with just that one change. This first light I'm gonna share with you is this crystal chandelier. It's my absolute favorite. This light is so glam, it's so modern. It literally turns this room, which we put in our dining room, it turns into like $1 million room just with the light fixture itself. It's amazing, it's gorgeous. It's super long, it's 48 inches long and it's 9 inches wide and high. It uses about 12 light bulbs. Because this is a specialty light, I highly recommend you get a professional to install it. It has over 600 crystals on it, guys. So it's super heavy. Usually this light fixture runs you anywhere from a few hundred to a few thousand. And I didn't want to pay a few thousand, so I kept searching day in and day out until I could find one that was just a few $100s. And I did, and I bought it from House, and I will link it below. I love this light. It's so modern and it's so glam. The second light is such a beautiful modern glam light. I have it in my office. This is a crystal drum light and it exudes class and style. It has a matte gold finish, but also is embellished with square crystals around the light. It is just really gorgeous. Even flush lights can be gorgeous and beautiful. So just because you have a room with a flush, you can switch out a flush and you don't have to have a chandelier. It has 5 lights and it's about 16 inches in diameter. I purchased this light from Overstock. Well, this next light is a Sputnik light. Purchased this from Wayfair. It is so modern. Sputniks are very in right now, and this one has a more glam element to it because of the big crystal glass shades. It has 12 lights on it. It's super big. It's about 31.5 inches wide. We have it in our sitting room. We have like higher ceilings here, so it's able to drop down and fill space. This next light is a 4-light lantern pendant. Even though it's a pendant light, it's really large. So it's larger than most pendant lights. I always have loved these lantern lights. This is in a chrome finish, so it just adds modern to it and glam as well. I put it above our breakfast area, our breakfast nook. It looks so beautiful above this. It's so warming, it's so welcoming. Also, a quick tip, if you have a outlet that is not in the middle of the room or above the table exactly where you want it, what you can do is grab you a hook and have the hook put on a stud, and you can hang the light from the hook. This is so trendy. That's a quick fix, a quick hack, so you don't have to hire an electrician to move an entire outlet, and it just hangs in a modern trendy way. So this next chandelier I'm going to share with you is this globe chandelier. This is a really nice size modern glam light fixture. It's about 18 inches wide. This light I actually put in my closet. I love chandeliers in my closet, so I went with this globe chandelier, and this is how it looks in the room. This is very, very, very glam. It's very stylish, and the crystals on it reflect and give this brilliance. And there are 5 lights in this fixture, and I purchased this light from Wayfair. So this next chandelier is a 3-tiered crystal chandelier. Guys, I purchased this from Wayfair and I got it on sale, so it was only like $100 and something, which was about 60 to 70% off its original price. But it's a gorgeous light that you can actually put anywhere in your home. We put it in the living room, and you can see how it looks in this room. You can put this light many different places, and it just exudes elegance and style. I believe it has about 9 lights. It's nice and bright and beautiful. This next light is another flush light. This is a Modern Glam flush. It's a crystal light with a chrome finish to it. It's very brilliant, and here it's in the hallway, and I purchased this from House. This is on the smaller side, so you don't always have to have a large light to make your home look more glam. You can even replace smaller lights and it still just makes a good dramatic change. And this next light is so modern, it's so contemporary. This is a ring crystal chandelier. It's very large. It's about 19 by 23 as far as width and diameter. It has adjustable cables. One thing I really say about this light is a LED light. It is so high tech. You can change the color, you can change the dimness, the brightness. It comes with a remote, so you can literally control all elements of this light fixture. And also, because it's LED light, it's supposed to last about 20 years. So you don't have to buy bulb support, it's already included. And this is just a high-tech, powerful, modern light. If you like these fixtures, guys, give me a thumbs up. And I love to know which one you liked the best. Like, leave me a comment telling me which one is your #1 light fixture. So there are tons of easy ways to transform a room. It does not matter the size of your house. Guys, listen to me. It does not matter the size of your house. You can have a 1-bedroom, small little tiny house, but you can make that house look super glam, super modern with just a few changes here and there, and they're not expensive changes. So that's my goal, to help you to transform your home. If you have not checked out my From Ordinary to Fab home series, that series is totally about helping to transform your home and make it look like a glam and luxe and modern home, but on a budget. And anybody can do it. You don't have to hire a designer. You don't have to spend $1 million to do it. You can do it yourself, and I'm here to help you do that. So be sure to go check out that playlist and watch the entire series. If you have not saw my home before we had any furniture, it was completely empty, you guys should definitely go check out my empty house tour. I'll leave that. I'll see you in that video.